I love cleaning wheels. Yeah, I hate cleaning wheels. So in today's video, we're going to build a tool that will make maintaining your wheels easier, faster, and more fun. I call it the Electro Spinny Wheel Cleaner. Let's get right to it. Here's what you're going to need. Some rubbing alcohol, a couple of sheets of paper towel or a clean rag, about 4 inches of 1-inch wide self-adhesive male and female Velcro, scissors to cut the Velcro, and a microfiber washcloth. Mine measures about 16 by 12 inches. You can get a 24-pack for about $12 on Amazon. You'll also need a reusable Velcro cable tie. This one measures 7 inches. These little gadgets are indispensable around the home and garage, and a pack of 50 can be had for under $8. The backbone of this tool is made from a 1/4-inch socket extension. The extension will be chucked into a cordless drill, and we're going to use it as an arbor to support the cleaner. The one I'm using measures 15 inches. When I was prototyping, I tried a 6-inch extension, but it was simply too short. I recommend at least 9 inches, but 12 and 15 inches will all work. I also tried a 3/8-inch socket extension, which will work, but isn't as versatile. Whatever size you choose, the skinny end has to firmly fit into the chuck of your cordless drill. My DeWalt had no problem getting a firm grip on this 3/8-inch extension. If you're paying attention, you'll see that I'm using the extension backwards to allow me to grab it directly in the drill. I did try using a socket adapter, which I thought would be a clever way to mount and unmount the cleaner from the drill. I decided against this because the connection was too wobbly, and I preferred the security of chucking up the extension shaft directly. The 1/4-inch extension shaft let me get the best bite and proved to be steady and plenty sturdy. We're going to be adhering some Velcro to the flanged end of the socket extension, so the first thing we want to do is clean it with alcohol so the Velcro can adhere firmly. Make sure there's no crumbs from the towel on it, and this should dry off quickly. Now we're going to take the soft, fuzzy side of the Velcro and cut a piece just long enough to wrap around the bulb end of the socket extension. Cut that piece in half lengthwise. Now, one at a time, center the Velcro strips on the end of the extension in a crisscross pattern. I'm using an X-Acto blade to handle the Velcro so I don't get finger oils on the adhesive. It's important to make sure the Velcro goes on smoothly and is firmly set in place. The goal is to have the soft Velcro completely cover the top of the extension, which will protect your work and keep the cloth from wearing through at the end. Next, you need to cut a piece of the male hook side of the Velcro. How much you'll need is determined by the size of the microfiber cloth you'll be using. Lay the cloth out and fold it once widthwise, but don't go all the way to the opposite side. Fold it again in the same direction, also leaving about a 1/4 inch showing. Insert the end of the extension into the inner fold of the cloth and cut your Velcro so it goes from the base of the fuzzy bulb almost to the edge of the cloth. Stick it on nice and straight and wrap it around the shaft firmly, taking your time so it's smooth. the 1-inch wide Velcro strip wrapped completely around the 1/4-inch socket extension with no overlap. If you are using a thicker extension, you may want to patch another piece of Velcro so the shaft is covered all around. It's time to turn the microfiber into our scrubbing and buffing head. Fold the cloth, leaving the slight overlap, and then insert the extension into the middle of the fold. Then fold the cloth over so it looks like a flag, pressing the fabric into the male Velcro. Next, we want to tightly roll up the cloth onto the shaft. You want to wind it in the direction that the drill will spin so it won't unroll while you're using it. Your Velcro cable tie should be on hand while you're doing this. When the cloth is firmly rolled on, fasten it tightly about 1 inch from the base with the cable wrap. Time to chuck it up and take it for a test drive. It's amazing how securely this little rig holds onto the cloth. Make sure yours is on securely before you use it on anything that can get damaged while you're getting a feel for it. I built this tool specifically for cleaning and polishing the nooks and crannies on my performance-packed Mustang wheels. The drill provided plenty of power, and I appreciated the variable speed, especially when I wanted to slow down around the valve stems. Turned sideways, and with the cloth wrapped a little looser, the tool made fast but gentle work of buffing out the protective weather coating I was applying. It was easy to control, and the results were fantastic. You can purchase drill-mounted wheel cleaners and scrub brushes, but what I really like about this is how easy it is to rotate the cloth when one side gets dirty. And you can get 8 or more changes out of a single cloth. It takes less than a minute to unmount the cloth, refold it, and remount it. And since the cloths are cheap and washable, you should never wear out or run out. Thanks for letting me share my Electro Spinny Wheel Cleaner with you. If you give it a try, please let me know how it goes. If you have any wheel cleaning tips or gadgets that you swear by, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. My name is Mike. The channel is Mike Fyxdt. Be good, be well, and be safe, especially around electro spinny objects. Thanks for watching. I fixed it.